What's up, guys? Today is Sunday. It is a family fitness
day.
Family fitness Sunday. And what does this mean? We're back here in Newcastle with mum and dad. So today, right now, I'm gonna go out running with dad. Ready, dad? So we just started running here. Too much ice here, dad says. So he's gonna take me to his secret hideout, his secret hangout. And it's gonna be beautiful, so stay tuned. Hey, Mum. Yeah, we finished now. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, well done. Well done.
Okay, guys, so this is Fitness Sunday. I'm here with Mum and Dad and Kaina. And we are off to a very special secret running place of my dad's. So you'll find out where it is very shortly.
Okay, turn left.
Left here, yeah? Very important. Keep your health intact. Always, always. Healthy body, healthy mind. Mind-body connection. Guys, Erico here, and just here with Dad. We're training, eagerly training, ready for 2018. Gonna take 2018 to the next level. Dad, you can keep going. You keep going. Okay, I'm just gonna speak to them. I'll catch up with you, where I'll be sharing with you different strategies in terms of how to create an abundance of wealth. And when I talk about abundance, I don't just mean making money. I mean having that time balance to be able to do what you want when you want. A lot of people always ask me, they say, Eric, how is it that you get to travel the world, you get to do what you do, you get to spend so much time with your family, and you run so many businesses in different sectors at the same time? How do you actually manage that? And I always say that the secret behind it is actually having the strategies and the systems in place. You can see, you know, through 2018, you're gonna hit some uncertainty, you're gonna hit some challenges, you're gonna hit times when it's snowing, when it's raining. But what are the excuses that you're making year on year end and never actually achieving the goals that you desire and the goals that you deserve to have right now? And if you are really ready to supercharge your 2018 and make it your best year yet, make sure to grab your tickets now, join us at the event, and we look forward to seeing you there and sharing with you practical, applicable strategies to take your 2018 to the next level. I'm gonna carry on with my run. Ciao, bye for now.
Five, four, three, two, one.
We got love that we'll never need to hide. Love will always rise above. Whatever comes, we will be just fine. If I am yours and you are mine, take my hand and let's fly away to another galaxy. Hold me close, I want to feel your love. Together we are free. Just be with me. Just be with me. Just be with me. Now we're one with the sun over our heads, and at night we'll be the stars.
You want to know what
to another galaxy. Hold me close, I want to feel your love. Together we are free. Just be with me. Just be with me. Just be